Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So the other day, Jennifer and I were watching some golfers and they were all preparing to hit on this one hole, and they took out a little device and kind of were able to measure exactly how many yards it is to the hole. I mean, exactly. And I think I've mentioned this before, but it is kind of funny. They're very exacting about the measurement of how far it is, but to watch someone golf, and I'm not alone, they're not alone in this, I'm sure I do this too. It's just crazy how inexact or not exact they are about when they actually hit, when they swing and hit the ball. I mean, that's not as exact. Why do I mention this? Well, it's kind of funny what we as people decide that we're going to be exact about. And of course, it's human nature that we always tend to pick the easiest things to be exact about. But really, that's the opportunity. If we looked at the things that are important, let's talk about in the cleaning business. So let's talk about marketing. So in terms of how you find the places you want to clean, how you create a list, the notes you put in about those buildings and what you're sending them, how you're communicating with them. Let's say during your walkthroughs, how exact you're being about all the information so that when you bid, it's a very accurate, a more accurate estimate for that job. If we were to be more exacting about how we do the important things, and that would be hard, we'd be way ahead, just like the golfer would be if he or she or I would pay a little bit more attention to following exactly maybe the model of the swing that we'd like to do. We watch a golfer, well, that's how I'd like to swing. If I really held to that, I'd be very far ahead. Same way in business. If we pick the things we want to model after exactly, or procedures we want to model after exactly, boy, it could make a big difference, right? So, till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.